Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. A beginner's guide to Pa Kimchi, the bold flavors of Korean green onion kimchi. Kimchi lovers often have a special place in their hearts for Pa Kimchi. This unique variety shines with the bright, crisp flavor of green onions, setting it apart from the more traditional cabbage-based options. Not only is it a staple in Korean meals, but it also brings a refreshing twist that complements many dishes. In this video, we'll walk you through what makes Pa Kimchi so special. You'll learn about its cultural roots and why it's a must-try for anyone interested in Korean cuisine. Whether you're a seasoned kimchi enthusiast or trying it for the first time, you'll discover tips for making it at home and how to enjoy it alongside your favorite foods. Get ready to dive into the bold world of Pa Kimchi. What is Pa Kimchi? Pa Kimchi is a refreshing type of kimchi that focuses on green onions as the primary ingredient. This variation stands apart from the more common cabbage kimchi, offering a different set of flavors and textures. With its vibrant taste and easy preparation, it has become a beloved staple in many Korean households and a delightful addition to various meals. The primary ingredients of Pa Kimchi. When it comes to Pa Kimchi, the star ingredient is undeniably green onions. These long, crispy vegetables lend a bright crunch and subtle sweetness, making them a perfect canvas for seasoning. In addition to green onions, several core ingredients come together to enhance the flavor profile. Salt. This is essential for drawing moisture out of the green onions, helping to infuse flavor and create that characteristic tanginess. Korean red pepper flakes, gochugaru. These add depth and heat, with a unique smokiness that's hard to replicate. The amount used can be adjusted based on your spice tolerance. Garlic. Fresh garlic contributes bold flavors, which pairs excellently with the green onions. Ginger. This aromatic adds warmth and a hint of sweetness, balancing the other flavors. Fish sauce or fermented shrimp. These ingredients bring umami and complexity, enhancing the overall taste. They're often optional for those looking for a vegetarian version, substituting with soy sauce or a dash of vinegar instead. Together, these ingredients create a balance of spicy, savory, and tangy flavors that make Pa Kimchi truly unique. Differences between Pa Kimchi and common kimchi varieties. While Pa Kimchi may share the title of kimchi with varieties like Napa cabbage kimchi, it stands out in several key ways. Flavor. Pa Kimchi has a fresher, lighter taste due to the prominent role of green onions. Traditional cabbage kimchi tends to be earthier and more robust because of the fermentation process involving thicker vegetables. Preparation. Making Pa Kimchi is typically quicker and simpler. The green onions don't require extensive chopping or brining like cabbage does, allowing for a fast and straightforward preparation. Uses. This green onion kimchi is often used as a side dish or condiment. It pairs well with grilled meats, rice, and various stews or soups. The crispness of Pa Kimchi complements hearty dishes, providing a refreshing contrast that can elevate a meal. For anyone looking to explore the world of kimchi, Pa Kimchi offers a delightful introduction, bursting with flavor and simplicity. The health benefits of Pa Kimchi. Pa Kimchi is not just a flavorful delight, it also brings along a host of health benefits that make it an excellent addition to your diet. Let's explore the key aspects that contribute to its nutritional value. Rich in essential nutrients. Green onions, the star ingredient in Pa Kimchi, are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health. They are an excellent source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health and blood clotting. Beyond that, vitamin C, this antioxidant, helps boost your immune system and promotes skin health. Folate. Important for cell repair and DNA synthesis, folate is essential for pregnant women as it helps in fetal development. Fiber. Green onions provide dietary fiber, which aids digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. Antioxidants. Compounds found in green onions fight inflammation, protect cells, and may lower the risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating Pa Kimchi into your meals allows you to enjoy these nutrients in a tasty way. Think of it as a simple flavor boost that benefits your body at the same time. Probiotic benefits of fermentation. Fermentation is a key process in making Pa Kimchi, and it delivers powerful benefits for gut health. During fermentation, good bacteria, known as probiotics, multiply. These probiotics contribute significantly to your well-being by enhancing gut health. Probiotics promote a balanced gut microbiome, aiding in digestion and absorption of nutrients. A healthy gut can also alleviate issues like bloating and constipation. Boosting immunity. A strong gut system plays a vital role in your immune response. Probiotics can enhance the body's ability to fend off infections and diseases, supporting mental health. Research indicates a connection between gut health and mental well-being. A balanced gut microbiome may improve mood and alleviate anxiety. So, when you savor Pa Kimchi, you're not just indulging in a delicious side dish, you're also benefiting from the probiotics that contribute to your body's resilience. In summary, Pa Kimchi is a flavorful way to add essential nutrients and healthy probiotics to your diet. Embracing this vibrant dish can lead to a multitude of health benefits, making it a smart choice for both taste and wellness. How to make Pa Kimchi at home. Making Pa Kimchi at home is a rewarding process that brings out the vibrant flavors of green onions. It's easier than you might expect, and it can be a fun activity to tackle in the kitchen. Here's a detailed step-by-step process to help you create your own batch of this delicious kimchi. Gather your ingredients. Clean the green onions. Brine the green onions. Prepare the spice mixture. Combine the ingredients. Pack the kimchi. Ferment the mixture. Tips for achieving the perfect flavor. Adjust the spice. If you're unsure about the heat level, start with less gochugaru and add more gradually. Remember, you can always add more spice, but it's hard to take it away. Taste as you go. Throughout the preparation process, don't hesitate to taste the mixture. This allows you to adjust seasoning and determine when it's just how you like it. Fermentation time. Fermentation time can vary based on temperature and your personal taste. Warmer environments will ferment faster. You might prefer a shorter fermentation for a fresher flavor or longer for a stronger taste. Check it daily if you like. Keep it clean. Always use clean utensils when handling your kimchi. This prevents unwanted bacteria from affecting the fermentation process. Experiment with add-ins. Feel free to add other ingredients for variation. Some enjoy tossing in carrots or daikon radish for additional crunch and flavor. With these steps and tips, you're well on your way to enjoying homemade Pa Kimchi. It's a vibrant dish that enhances many meals and highlights the bright, crisp taste of green onions. Happy fermenting! Serving suggestions and culinary uses. Pa Kimchi isn't just a flavorful side dish, it's versatile enough to elevate your meals in many ways. Whether you stick to traditional pairings or explore modern options, there's no shortage of delicious ways to use this zesty condiment. Traditional Korean dishes featuring Pa Kimchi. Modern and innovative uses. Pa Kimchi serves up a unique taste that combines the crunch of green onions with a delightful mix of spices. This dish not only adds vibrant flavors to your meals but also packs a nutritional punch with its rich vitamins and probiotics. Making Pa Kimchi at home is both simple and rewarding, giving you the chance to customize flavors to your liking. Why not give it a try? Dive into the world of Korean cuisine and discover how this zesty dish can brighten your table. Have you ever cooked with kimchi before? Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.